All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Oh my god, I have one of these crazy ideas. Who the heck knows if it's going to work? Untinted base from Glidden. I'll post all the stuff. If you want my recipe, it is in Art Addicts. Anyway, this is tinted with Craftnique's colorants. I can't stress enough how great they are. You can make your own untinted house paint in whatever color you want. Just by buying the untinted house paint and then coloring it with Craftnique. So then we have the white both of these are semi-gloss, but both of them are the Glidden Premium. You can get them at Home Depot. I'll flash the photo, and if you're in another country or you don't have a Home Depot near you, you could probably show them this and they'll give you the equivalent. Or PPG is a huge company that is nationwide. You can probably contact them and they'll help you out. Okay, so I do have 2 interference colors. For those of you who do not know what interference is, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but this is Violet Sparkle. It dries clear, and if you tilt it in the light, it'll go from, this particular one goes from like a green to a purple. And then, I mean, there's interference green, blue, gold, red, you know, that's what interference is. If you guys need any help further than the recipe that I have posted in Art Addicts, I do offer private lessons. You can look on my Rezinspired page on Facebook. I have done a ring pour with a silicone mitt before. I've wrecked a ring pour in my own way. Essentially, I don't have a dual cup, so we're going to make do. I took a paper credit card in there and taped it up with some tape that, you know, paint won't stick to, because I'm the idiot that takes the crazy risks, then beat myself up for it later, like, why did you do that? Like, if it doesn't work. If it works, I'm like, oh, Jen, you're a genius. But if it doesn't work, I'm like, you're so stupid. Anyway, we're just gonna I'm gonna push down on this too, because I don't want it going across there. But I think that should be enough. I hope so. It's starting to leak through a little bit, but let's just cross our fingers. So yeah, white and black, right? Here we go. I don't know which way I should go out of. Probably this way. But you know what? I need more black because there's more white than there is black. So that's another, yeah, I have to overcome that too. Nope. Yes. I think that's enough. I need you to work. Here we go. Ring pour. Ugh. I'm doing wide. No, I'm not. Yeah, let's do it like that. Okay. Yeah. Oh! Yep. And of course, that's attractive. Great, Jen. But you know what? That's happened to me before. And if something like that happens, you can actually just kind of like that. Oh man, I hope I'm not screwing myself by doing this. I don't think I will, but there you go. It's kind of like a ring pour, right? Let's stretch it out just just a tiny bit. It does look kind of cool though. I just need one little puddle of the, because I need that pillow, you know what I mean? Yeah, like that. That's what I'm talking about. So here we go. There's my black. This is the color shift that I want. I probably did this backwards, but it's a little round, so we're not going to like panic, right? Right. All right, here's our white. Come on, get off. Now our cell activator, which I am going to whip. Same as always, 1 part Amsterdam titanium white to 3 parts of US American Floetrol, which, like I said, whip it. Too much paint, but you know what? It is what it is. Part of me wants to pour some white, like really pour some white. You know what? Let's do it. It's okay to have too much paint, right? We want rings! And we are moving very nicely. That's kind of cool. God, I wish I could play the song that's playing in my earbuds because it really makes, it's really going to what I'm doing. Like, oh man, you guys. Oh man, you guys. Oh man. That is crazy. Oh my gosh. Like, whoa. This is amazing. Just a little bit. I just needed to hook. Come on, hook. Okay, now we go back. Like, wow. As soon as you think that you've done all you can with blooms, boom. And yes, that is how you boom. Like, this is seriously what I've been waiting for. Can you guys see that? Can you see that? Okay, just stop, Jen. It's not that serious. I'm sorry, I get all fired up. Like, I can't wait. Oh, I cannot wait to go bigger. Get you in for the close-up. Oh my gosh. Look, there's the nugget cells. And you can see the interference. You see that? It's blue. Wow. All right, love you guys. I hope you're safe. I'm safe. We're all safe. Join my Art Addicts group and we'll all be safe together. All right, so this guy is officially resin. And I think it's spoken for. I'm not sure, totally sure. But it does shift from blue to purple. I'm definitely going to do another one of these. And getting stuff ready for my auction, which I will keep you guys posted and updated on that. And thanks so much again for watching. See you next time. Bye.